Good afternoon, SteadyTrade treat listeners. Bryce Toohey back at you. It's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. TGIF, you know how the story goes. Folks, I am not even really that jacked up on my caffeine yet, but I can promise you one thing. I've got two of them double fist and ready to go because it's going to be awesome. I'm just excited, guys. I'm not even trading today, right? Matt Monaco has convinced me not to take a single trade today, and I'm going to try to do my best to not place a single trade. Today, I told you we had a cool story to talk about, and this one, I think it's interesting anyways. Hopefully, you guys do too. History was made this week when it comes to the largest block trade ever placed. Basically, this company, this investing firm called Prosus, sold 191 million shares in one single block trade for a $14 billion transaction. And that was only 2% of their position in this company. I'm sorry, this is the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. The company they were trading was Tencent. It's like a big Chinese internet company that is one of the biggest over there, apparently. That 191 million share trade was only 2% of that company. And Prosus still owns about 29% of Tencent. So they are doing quite well right now, I would say. Now, anyways, let's go back to the block trade side of it. What is a block trade? As it probably sounds, it is technically one large trade, right? One trade of a bunch of shares. Now, the definition, it depends on where you read it from. It's supposed to be over 10,000 shares of a stock. However, penny stocks do not apply. So because a lot of people take more than 10,000 shares of a penny stock, even if it's like small cap stocks. But you get the point. Now, with bigger, in practice, block trades are a lot bigger than 10,000 shares most of the time. I mean, hundreds of thousands of shares, millions of shares, or in the case of the largest block trade in the world, 191 million shares. But block trades aren't normally just placed through a regular broker, especially not when it's really, really large trades like this one, because, right, if I just sold 190 million shares at the market, the stock price would plummet. Now, what they do is go through what's known as a block house, like an intermediary, and they specialize in large trades so that, that large sale doesn't tank the price of the stock. It doesn't create some super volatile drop in the price of the stock because, again, 190 million shares of a real company, that's a lot. That would trigger a massive decline. Now, Tencent did witness like a 2.5–3% drop from that, but again, you got to remember the Prosus company still owns 29% of Tencent. So nothing to worry about. Tencent apparently actually said that this is a good buying opportunity for them now. Anyways, I thought that was a really cool story and just kind of a little explanation of what block trades are, how they work because again, like technically, if it was just the 10,000 shares, regular day traders on penny stocks take that, but not taking 10,000 shares of like Tesla. That's a lot of shares. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about that story. And let me know, what do you guys want to hear next week? Do you have any stories that you really been itching to hear more about? Let me know. Let me know down in the comments below. Guys, have a wonderful weekend. Have a fantastic Friday. TGIF, and I'll catch you guys back here on Monday. Peace.